Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. As always, before I do get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. 19th of September 2022, the start of another trading week. And what a rough week it was. Last week, it was a little bit all over the place, troops, really, wasn't it? A lot of bleeding on the SPY. If I just put that on the daily chart there, let's have a quick look. You can see not a good week at all. We went from a high of 410.05 all the way down to a low of 382.11, closing eventually at 385.56. So not very good at all, troops, on the SPY, and that obviously had an adverse effect on the entire market. AMC, if we look here, just very briefly, we have broke below that rising level of support again. We were consolidated towards the end of the week, but Friday we absolutely went back down. One thing I will say is this gap that we highlighted previously, we still haven't filled that. And we're seeing that former level of support now acting as resistance as we got a little bounce off that. So really interested to see how that plays out this week, troops. You know, you could say this is consolidation. It is like almost like channel trading there. If I just put a little box on, you can see there. Way up. Let's go there. Look, it's consolidation. It's not up nor down. And then Friday we got absolutely hammered. So let's see, troops. It's a strange one. There's a FOMC meeting this week, so more news coming out of the Fed, which is going to affect the market. Let's see what goes on with AMC. APE, pretty similar as you'd expect. Consolidation, you can see there, consolidation followed by a drop on Friday. GameStop slightly different. I'm quite impressed with GameStop, actually. You can see here 5 days of consolidation after a 3-day little bit of a reversal there. And Friday, when everything else was red, GME was green, ever so slightly green. But that is some strength there, troops. I tell you, that there's something to watch there. Whether it's because DRS is now taking effect, you know, and the amount of shares available to trade is dropping significantly enough that they can no longer suppress the price. I'm not 100% sure, but very, very encouraging. You can see we've had this massive elongated downtrend here going all the way back to the middle of August, which kind of bottomed out beginning of September and has been steadily rising again. And then, like I said, this period of consolidation. So really interested to see how this works against the market this week. If the market drops and GME stays green or stays, you know, consistently above $28, I'd be very, very happy indeed. Bitcoin has took a massive dump this morning. You can see there it's down. It's been down as low as 18,270. So crypto is also getting in on the red action. I'm just going to see. Let me just change the screen. Just show you this. So the next 2 days here you can see is the Fed's FOMC next meeting. So they do this every quarter, and it is a projection of what the look ahead looks like. So that'll give us some indication of where the US economy is going, that's for sure. And then I just want to check what else. Let's see what futures are doing this morning and get that up. US futures market, pre-market futures. Let's have a look. Here we go. I'll just stick this up for you. And everything is pretty much red. Implied open down on the Dow, Nasdaq down, implied open down. So not good on the futures, troops, which generally gives us the direction of travel for when the market opens. So expecting another volatile week. I'm expecting another red week. I'll be absolutely honest with you. So it's times like this, we've just got to zone out and just say, do you know what? It is what it is. I can't do anything. I can't influence anything. So I'm just going to chill out. I'm just going to watch, see what happens, and go about my week as normal. So that's it, troops. That's what I've got for you in this weekly look ahead video. I do hope you've enjoyed it, found it informative. We haven't covered that much, but we've covered enough. Let's see if what we think is going to happen actually plays out. With that being said, wherever you are in the world, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.